Have you ever noticed that no matter how many socks you wear, your feet just won't get warm? Even when you're sitting in a cozy room, sipping hot tea, or tucked under a blanket, that strange icy feeling in your feet never really goes away. It's frustrating, isn't it? You start to wonder, is something wrong with me? Is this just part of getting older? Or is my blood circulation getting weak? Many people after 60 feel the same, but very few actually know what's going on inside their body. Cold feet may seem like a small problem, but it can be a silent signal of something much deeper, something your body is trying to tell you. But here's the truth most people don't realize. Cold feet after 60 aren't just about temperature or weather. They can reveal early signs of circulation problems, nerve damage, or even hormonal imbalances like thyroid changes. Ignoring them might mean ignoring one of your body's earliest warning signs. The good news is, you don't need strong medicines or expensive treatments to fix this. There are simple, natural ways to improve your blood flow, strengthen your veins, and bring warmth back to your feet naturally, safely, and effectively. In this video, we're going to uncover the real reasons why your feet stay cold even when everything else feels fine. You'll learn what's changing inside your blood, your nerves, your muscles, and even your hormones. And here's something I want you to remember: the fourth reason I'll share today is the most important one. It's something most people ignore, yet it can quietly affect your energy, your sleep, and even your heart. Now, let's begin with what's really happening inside your body when those cold feet just won't warm up. Reason number 1. Slower blood circulation, the hidden reason behind cold feet after 60. As we grow older, our body begins to whisper things it never said before. One of those quiet whispers is cold feet. You may notice it most at night. Your whole body feels warm under the blanket, but your feet stay strangely cold, almost lifeless. You rub them, cover them, even wear thick socks, but that chill doesn't seem to leave. This happens because your blood, the warm river that carries life and heat throughout your body, doesn't flow as freely as it once did. When we are young, our heart pushes blood easily through soft, flexible blood vessels. It's like water flowing through a smooth pipe. But after 60, those vessels start to stiffen. They lose their softness, like old rubber that doesn't stretch anymore. The heart keeps pumping, but the blood has to fight harder to reach the farthest corners of your body, especially your feet. Your feet are the farthest point from your heart, and gravity doesn't help much either. That's why, when circulation slows down, your feet are the first to suffer. Less blood means less warmth. Less warmth means your nerves start to sense cold even when the room isn't that chilly. Many people ignore this, thinking it's just the weather or aging. But what's really happening is that your heart and blood vessels are quietly saying, we need a little help. And here's the beautiful part: you can help them. Simple things like gentle movement, stretching your legs, keeping your body hydrated, and massaging your feet daily can make a huge difference. Every time you move your feet or flex your ankles, you're helping your blood find its way again. You're waking up that warm river inside you. So when your feet feel cold, don't just reach for another pair of socks. Take it as your body's soft reminder: keep me moving. Keep me flowing. Because the warmth you're missing in your feet might just be waiting for a little more movement in your life. Before we move to the next reason, if you're finding this video helpful so far, please subscribe to the channel. Every week, we uncover the hidden truths about senior health in simple, comforting language that anyone can understand. And make sure to stay till the very end, because the last reason I'll share might be something you've never heard before. And it could be the key to bringing warmth and comfort back to your feet naturally. I would love if you tell me in the comments. Do your feet also stay cold even when the rest of your body feels fine? If yes, type yes below, because you're not alone, and today you'll finally understand why this happens. Reason number 2. Nerve sensitivity decline when your feet feel cold, even if they're not. There's a strange thing that happens with age sometimes: what you feel isn't exactly what's real. You may touch your feet and find them warm, yet inside, they feel icy cold. It's confusing, even a little worrying. But the truth is, it's not your imagination, it's your nerves speaking a different language now. You see, nerves are like messengers that run through your body, carrying signals from your skin to your brain. When you're young, these messengers are fast and alert. If your feet get cold, your nerves quickly tell your brain, and your brain sends an order: warm them up. Blood rushes down, your toes tingle, and balance is restored. But after 60, these messengers slow down. Some of them retire early. The nerves that sense temperature, especially in your feet and hands, start to lose their sharpness. So sometimes, they send mixed messages. They tell your brain, it's cold, even when your body temperature is normal. And sometimes, they don't send any signal at all, which is why you might not notice your feet getting cold until they're really freezing. It's a quiet change, but a very real one. This is why so many seniors find their feet cold from inside. It's not just about temperature, it's about how the nerves interpret it. If you think about it, it's almost poetic. The same feet that once ran, danced, and carried you through life's busy years now move slower, quieter, and their voice to your brain has softened. But that doesn't mean you can't care for them. You can gently wake up your nerves again by massaging your feet every day, feeling the textures of the floor, walking barefoot on a mat, or soaking your feet in warm water before bed. These small acts remind your nerves, hey, I'm still here. Let's stay connected. Your body listens when you give it attention. So every time your feet feel cold, take it as a reminder to reconnect not just with your body, but with yourself. Because the warmth you're seeking outside often begins from within. Reason number 3. Lower muscle mass: why thin legs and feet feel colder faster. Have you noticed how your legs don't feel as strong as they once did? Maybe climbing stairs feels heavier, or your calves look a little thinner than before. It's a normal part of aging, but it quietly changes more than just strength, it changes warmth, too. You see, muscles aren't only for lifting, walking, or balance. They're like tiny engines constantly producing heat, even when you're resting. Every time you move, your muscles generate warmth that spreads through your body, keeping your hands and feet comfortable. But as we grow older, especially after 60, these engines begin to slow down. The body starts to lose muscle tissue, a process called muscle wasting or sarcopenia. And when muscle mass goes down, heat production goes down too. That's why thin legs or smaller calves often feel colder. There's simply less muscle left to burn energy and keep that natural warmth flowing. It's not that the room got colder, it's that your inner heater has dimmed a little. Many seniors don't notice this happening until they suddenly realize they always need an extra blanket or socks, even in warm weather. But this isn't a sign of weakness, it's just your body asking for a bit more care. Reason. The good news. Muscles can be rebuilt at any age. Even light movement like gentle leg stretches while sitting, or a short walk after meals can wake up those quiet muscle fibers again. It's like reminding your body, don't sleep yet. Keep moving. Stay warm. A friend once told me, I started moving my legs for just 10 minutes every morning, and my feet stopped freezing at night. It wasn't magic, it was her muscles coming back to life, little by little. So, if your feet often feel cold, try not to rush to the heater right away. Take a few steps, stretch your legs, move your toes, remind your body that warmth is something you can create from within. Because even after 60, your body still remembers how to protect you, it just needs a little help waking up. Reason number 4, thyroid slowdown: when your body's thermostat gets lazy. There's a small, butterfly-shaped gland resting quietly in your neck, your thyroid. It's tiny, but it controls something powerful: your body's warmth and energy. Think of it as your internal thermostat, the one that tells your body how hot or cold to stay. When you're young, this thermostat works perfectly. It keeps your blood warm, your hands and feet comfortable, and your energy steady. But as you grow older, especially after 60, this little gland sometimes begins to slow down, almost as if it's becoming a bit lazy. When that happens, your whole system starts to move slower. Your heart pumps a little softer, your metabolism burns a little weaker, and your body's ability to create heat begins to fade. So even when everyone else feels fine, you may find yourself reaching for socks, blankets, or a heater because your body is no longer producing warmth the way it used to. This gentle thyroid slowdown can bring other quiet signs: too tired mornings, dry skin, low mood, or slight weight changes. It doesn't happen suddenly, it sneaks in, one slow step at a time. The comforting truth is that your body still remembers how to balance itself, it just needs a bit of care. Eating foods that support thyroid function, staying active, and keeping a calm routine all help your internal thermostat stay awake. So, when your feet feel unusually cold, it might not just be poor circulation, it could be your thyroid whispering that it's time to slow down, rest, and take care of yourself a little more gently. Before we go further, if you're still with me, it means you truly care about understanding your body, and that makes you special. So take a moment to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Reason number 5. Medication side effects. When the pills that help your heart also chill your feet. As we grow older, most of us start relying on a few small pills each morning for blood pressure, sugar, cholesterol, or heart rhythm. They become part of our daily life, quietly helping us stay stable and strong. But what many people don't realize is that some of these same medicines can make your feet feel cold. Not because they're bad, but because of how they work inside your body. You see, many blood pressure medicines and heart drugs gently relax your blood vessels to protect your heart. That's good, it keeps your blood pressure under control. But sometimes, this relaxing effect also slows down circulation to the farthest parts of the body like your feet and toes. So, while your heart beats safer, your feet may start to feel colder. The same happens with certain cholesterol or diabetes medications. They can slightly affect how your blood flows or how your nerves sense temperature. It's a quiet trade-off your body makes: better heart protection, but a little less warmth in your feet. This doesn't mean you should ever stop taking your medicines, never do that without a doctor's advice. But it does mean you can be more aware of what your body is feeling. If you notice your feet turning cold after starting a new medicine, it's worth mentioning it to your doctor. Sometimes, even a small change in dosage or timing can make a big difference. The key is balance, keeping your heart strong while also keeping your body comfortable. Your medicines are meant to help you live better, not colder. And when you understand how they work, you can take care of both your health and your warmth with awareness, not worry. Reason number 6. Nutrient deficiencies. When your body runs low on its natural warmth builders. Your body is like a small, living fireplace. It needs the right kind of fuel to keep its inner flame burning. But as the years go by, that fire can slowly fade, not because of age alone but because the body is quietly running out of the nutrients that once kept it strong, warm, and full of energy. One of the biggest hidden reasons for cold feet after 60 is nutrient deficiency. It doesn't always show up in blood tests or make you feel sick, it just shows itself through subtle changes: pale skin, tiredness, slower healing, and that constant chill in your feet. When your body lacks certain vitamins and minerals, especially vitamin B12, iron, and magnesium, your blood loses its full strength. The red blood cells, which carry warmth and oxygen to every corner of your body, start to thin out or weaken. And when less oxygen reaches your feet, they begin to feel colder, heavier, and sometimes even numb. It's like the body's delivery system slowing down because it doesn't have enough helpers to carry the warmth where it's needed most. What makes this even more common after 60 is that our digestion naturally changes. The stomach produces less acid, and the intestines absorb fewer nutrients even from good food. So, you might be eating enough, but your body isn't getting what it needs. The beautiful part is this is one of the easiest things to fix naturally. By simply adding more leafy greens, beans, eggs, nuts, and iron-rich foods to your diet, you can help your body rebuild its warmth from the inside out. A gentle daily routine of good meals, light movement, and hydration can reawaken the strength that time tried to quiet down. So, when your feet feel cold, don't just think about socks or heaters, think about the fire within you. Feed it well, nourish it deeply, and it will remember how to keep you warm again. Because even after 60, your body is still capable of healing, it just needs the right kind of care, and the right kind of fuel. So now you know when your feet stay cold, it's not just a small discomfort. It's your body's quiet way of speaking to you, reminding you that every heartbeat, every nerve, every tiny muscle still matters. Cold feet after 60 don't mean your body is weak, it means it's asking for balance, for attention, and for kindness. Whether it's slower blood flow, tired nerves, a sleepy thyroid, or just missing nutrients. Each cause is your body's message, saying, take care of me, and I'll take care of you. Now I want to ask you something. Do you often feel your feet getting cold, even in warm weather? Have you noticed it more at night, or during rest? Share your experience in the comments below. Your story might help someone else who feels the same but never knew why. And if today's video helped you understand your body a little better, then don't forget to like this video. It really supports our channel. Also, subscribe if you haven't already, so you never miss our weekly videos about senior health, natural remedies, and aging gracefully. And please, share this video with your friends or family. Someone you care about might be feeling those cold feet right now, not knowing what's really happening. Remember, warmth isn't just something we find from outside. It's something we rebuild within, through care, awareness, and love for the body that's carried us through every season of life. Stay warm, stay gentle with yourself, and I'll see you in the next video. Herb.